Great opportunity to make this house your own. 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 3-car garage. New roof being installed soon. All appliances are included, even the washer and dryer. Central AC for those hot summer nights. The deck is being refurbished with new stairs and rails coming, weather permitting. RV parking. Large lot with a double gate for access to the backyard. Yes, you can park your camper or trailer on the property. No HOA and LOW taxes. Install new carpet and paint and this house will shine. You'll be close to post and bases, it's country living in town. See it today.